In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize confirmation emails in Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your email templates and how to tailor the subject and message so every invitee gets clear, on-brand information right after booking. Start on your Calendly dashboard and choose the event type you want to customize. Picking the specific event first is important because your changes will apply only to that event, keeping different meeting types neatly separated with their own messaging and tone. Next, open More Options. This area houses the deeper controls for each event, including the settings that govern what your guests receive in their inbox. Go to Notifications and Workflows. Calendly groups confirmations and reminders here, so this is the single place where you manage what gets sent and when. It's great for maintaining consistency, especially if you run several events. Open the Email Reminders section. This is where the confirmation and reminder templates for your selected event are kept. You'll see the message that goes out automatically, ready for a quick refresh. Click the three dots next to the email you want to adjust to reveal additional actions, then choose Edit. That opens the editor so you can fine-tune the content. Begin with the subject line. Keep it short, specific, and recognizable. Including the event name and the date or time helps invitees spot it instantly in a crowded inbox. Aim for clarity over cleverness, and avoid spammy phrasing or excessive punctuation. If you use merge fields provided by Calendly, such as the invitee's name or event name, make sure they're placed naturally so the subject reads smoothly. Move on to the email body. Use a friendly, professional tone and front-load the essentials: what the meeting is, when it is, and how to join. If the event has a location or video link, make that unmistakable. Consider a brief line that sets expectations, such as the agenda, anything to prepare, or how to share materials, so attendees feel ready. If you reference rescheduling or cancellation, keep it concise and reassure recipients that the process is straightforward. Keep paragraphs short, use plain language, and ensure any placeholders you add will always have data, so nothing looks broken or confusing. When you're happy with the updates, click Save and close. Your changes will apply to future bookings for this event type, keeping your confirmations consistent and helpful for every invitee. And that's it. Your Calendly confirmation emails are now personalized, clear, and on brand.